Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to clean Mitsubishi AC ceiling cassette. So first one is turn off the power and make sure that it is safe before cleaning. And after that, you could use a ladder to access the unit and just simply open up or unclip the front grill or panel and slide out the air filters and wash them with mild soap and water and then let them air dry completely. Now, guys, you could use a soft brush or vacuum to remove dust from the coils and avoid bending any fins. And after that, just simply clean the grill and vents with a microfiber cloth and do not spray water directly into the unit. And after that, just simply reinsert the dry filters and reassemble and power on everything. And there you go. I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.